Oh, hey, you hurt my feelings. Come on now. You were friendly to me yesterday. What happened? Huh? You're my buddy. Shh. All right, I'm gonna sit down here and see if I can get him to come to me. Come on, there he is. Come over here, buddy. Come on, little man. There he is. I'm so proud of you. Hello. Hi there. Come here, buddy. Cash, come here, little friend. Cash. Hey, come on, buddy. It's okay. There's a good boy. There's a good boy. Yay. Yay for Cash. I'm proud of you, little man. Yay. There's a good boy. Yes. You're my friend. Look what you've done. He's so happy. But this is definitely a big step. And this is only like, the sixth day. Took a long time for him. But I think that the amount of dogs that we've had here is contributed to that. Just because it was, a little bit hectic. But Cash. Now he's starting to play with other dogs. That is cool. Look at him. He's almost smiling now. Look at them. Good doggies. That's Chase he's trying to play with. Cash. There he is. There he is. There he is. There's my little friend. Hi there. Hi, little buddy. Thank you. Hi there. Good boy. I know. But look at Cash now. Hey, buddy. Cash. I'm not going to believe that it's you. I know. Hey, man. Cash. Come here, big man. Yeah, like he turns. What ends up happening when dogs are here is the environment is such where it makes it really, 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 really good for bringing, the most insecure dogs out of their shell. It just instinct takes over. It's really cool. But I guarantee you, the bond that him and I formed while he was here never goes away, ever. I cannot see him for years and it'll still be there.